Hello everyone, thank you very much for joining me for today's snapshot. We're going to take a look at gold. We note that its oscillators were overbought, but those have normalized now, and we'll take a look and see how we can potentially trade it. But before we do that, please take note of the following important information. Please note that CFDs are high-risk products and that you should be completely aware of the risks that they pose. Also, please note that this is a general market commentary and does not constitute investment advice. And finally, these are our sources of information. Okay, thank you very much for that. Now, gold's been trending very well since April. It did move into an overbought condition, but that seems to have normalized now. We do note that there is an inverse correlation between the way gold has been trending and the way that the greenback has been trending. And this relationship has really been evident from the time the US 10-year peaked at the end of March. Let's go ahead and take a look at the chart. Okay, so what we have here is the gold daily chart. You can see that it has been trending really nicely in our upper zone. The oscillator moved into an overbought position, but that has now normalized and gold has pulled back as the oscillator normalized. Now if we go down to our hourly chart, we're just going to be keeping an eye on the moving averages and the stochastic just to see if we get some sort of bullish triggers there. Now, assuming that those bullish triggers do get pulled, we really need the oscillator to move into the upper quintile for a real chance of a movement here in line with the longer term trend. Let's end off with some key takeaways. Gold's oscillator has normalized from an overbought condition. This may be a buy the dip opportunity, and we continue to monitor in that regard. We do note that gold will depend on the dollar's reaction to any adjustments in nominal yield that come from the inflation adjustment. Thank you very much for joining me for today's snapshot. Hope that you found this useful. If you did, go ahead, click on that subscribe button, and I look forward to speaking with you again in the near future.